Hello, and welcome to Ajastro Mini Guru, your trusted channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on the world of commodities. Today, we bring you an in-depth report on the price trends of cumin and coriander in Gujarat's spot markets, highlighting the factors driving the recent declines and what traders can expect in the coming weeks. Let's begin with the cumin market. On November 27, the market saw a notable softening of prices, with rates declining by 50 rupees per 20 kilograms. This drop comes amidst subdued buying activity as farmers hold back their stocks, anticipating better prices. The ongoing marriage season has also played a role in reducing selling pressure, contributing to the market's bearish sentiment. In Unja Mandi, the largest cumin trading hub in Gujarat, daily arrivals have been steady, ranging between 10,000 to 12,000 bags. However, market experts caution that if daily arrivals were to exceed 15,000 bags, export demand remains tepid, with China, one of the largest importers of Indian cumin, holding back on purchases due to visible financial constraints. Despite these challenges, trade activity is expected to sustain until mid-December, before slowing down for the year-end. As preparations for Ramzan begin in January, a revival in demand is anticipated. In terms of pricing, rough cumin in Unja is currently being traded between 4,200 rupees to 4,300 rupees per 20 kilograms, while best quality cumin is fetching 4,500 rupees to 4,600 rupees. Bombay Bold, known for its superior quality, is being sold at 4,600 rupees to 4,800 rupees. Meanwhile, Gondal Mandi reported prices ranging from 4,491 rupees to 4,741 rupees, with arrivals of 1,615 bags. Similarly, Rajkot Mandi saw the arrival of 2,000 bags, with prices varying between 4,200 rupees to 4,710 rupees. On the futures front, cumin contracts also reflected bearish trends. The December contract settled at 25,030 rupees per quintal, down 20 rupees from the previous close. The January contract closed at 24,530 rupees, marking a decline of 190 rupees, while the March contract fell sharply to 24,200 rupees, a drop of 520 rupees. Open interest and trading volumes have shown a mixed trend, indicating cautious market sentiment. Currently, the stock of cumin in NCDEX accredited warehouses stands at 465 metric tons. Shifting our focus to coriander, the market also experienced a significant drop in prices on November 27. After witnessing a steady rise over the past several days, prices have softened by 15 rupees to 25 rupees per 20 kilograms. This decline is attributed to sluggish demand, as traders have become hesitant to make purchases at elevated price levels. Export demand has also remained weak, further dampening market sentiment. Today, the coriander market recorded the arrival of approximately 12,000 bags across Gujarat. Prices range between 1,370 rupees and 1,570 rupees per 20 kilograms, reflecting the current lack of strong buying activity. In Gondal Mandi, one of the key trading centers, 5,000 bags arrived, out of which 1,210 bags were traded within a price range of 1,401 rupees to 1,871 rupees per 20 kilograms. Similarly, Rajkot Mandi reported the arrival of 1,100 bags, with trades occurring between 1,370 rupees to 1,510 rupees. Other major mandis, including Junagadh, Jaitpur, and Jamjodpur, also saw active trading but at slightly subdued levels. Junagadh recorded trades of 2,300 bags, while Jaitpur and Jamjodpur reported trades of 350 and 550 bags, respectively. The futures market for coriander echoed the weakness observed in spot prices. The December contract settled at 7,726 rupees per quintal, down by 124 rupees, while the January contract closed at 7,840 rupees, reflecting a decline of 114 rupees. Interestingly, open interest for the December contract saw a sharp decline, while the January contract reported an increase, indicating that traders are shifting their focus to later months. Stocks of coriander in NCDEX accredited warehouses stand at 4,842 metric tons as of today. To sum up, Both cumin and coriander markets in Gujarat are currently facing price pressures due to weak demand and cautious trading behavior. The futures market trends suggest that traders are taking a measured approach, keeping an eye on both domestic demand and export prospects. Thank you for tuning in to Ajastro Mini Guru. We will continue to bring you the latest updates and detailed analysis on the commodity markets. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your network, and subscribe to our channel for more such insights. Until next time, take care and stay informed.